Secret 4, transmission fluid and filter changes. Lifetime fluid is a myth. Normal cars, 60,000 to 80,000 miles. High mileage, 30,000 to 50,000 miles. A $500 service can prevent a $6,000 transmission failure. Secret 3, brake fluid flushes. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, causing corrosion and failure. Flush brake fluid. Every 2 years or 24,000 miles, replace pads every 30,000 miles. Neglect here risks lives. Secret 2. Stick to OEM parts. Aftermarket parts fail up to 15%. OEM parts fail around 2% and come with warranties. Use OEM when possible. If not, buy from reputable aftermarket brands. Never dealer-marked OEM. Secret 1. Rust prevention through undercoating. Rust cuts car value by up to 20%. About $6,000. Apply undercoating every 2 years. Wash the undercarriage and inspect yearly. This prevents small rust spots from becoming $10,000 repairs. There you have it. 17 Japanese car care secrets that turn drivers into inspection pros.